Alzheimer's disease is what's known as a neurodegenerative disorder, and that just basically means that the patients who have this disorder are losing brain cells. And the patients most at risk are the elderly population because the risk rises dramatically with age. So individuals over the age of 85 have a 50% chance of getting this disease.
We used to be very busy people. Ham was having meetings all times of the day, and then we'd be going places at night. We've been very active in the community. Now it's quieter.
Because these two diseases, frontotemporal dementia and Alzheimer's disease, look very similar in their beginning and late stages, we believe we can leverage this information to better understand the diseases and treat them.
Alzheimer's disease is a chronic and progressive degenerative disease that affects certain key brain regions. It affects brain regions that control primarily memory, the ability to reason, the ability to think, and it controls, those brain regions control autobiographical memories as well. So individuals with Alzheimer's disease will lose memories and recollections of people who they may have known their entire lives.
The difficult things were, when she doesn't recognize you and really know who you were. She always accepted me and felt loving, and but there were times where she would ask me, "Did you ever live here? Or where do you live now?" And she knew it. She really, at times, didn't know even who I was. So that's pretty tough to take when your mother doesn't know you. It was stressful because you had to do everything for her. It was like having a child. And for my father, who was 63, that was quite an undertaking. Very tiring, very stressful.
We know that TGen is on the cutting edge with research in this field. Do I hope an answer can be found now? No. I know things don't move that quickly. But what I want to buy is time for the future.
Right now there are a lot of new promising therapies that are on the horizon, and these are therapies that are targeted specifically at the very early events in Alzheimer's disease.
In the past year, we've identified new risk factors, new genetic risk factors for Alzheimer's disease here at TGen, and we've also identified new drug targets to treat early stages of Alzheimer's disease.
The big question mark around this disease is the genetics, and that's exactly what we're studying. So the better that we understand the genetics, the better we can make a clearer diagnosis, an earlier diagnosis, but also we can develop targeted drug therapies.
We have 3 children. We have 5 grandchildren. I don't want them to have to go through what Ham has gone through.